Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. I went ahead and I joined the Confetti, and I'm going to show you the website right there. And it'll have a little bit for all three of us, my daughter and my granddaughter. They're going to help me do the unboxing. Now I've set up my camera a little bit different because I wanted to have it show just the table while the three of us are here because we're kind of cramped in this spot to get into the video, and I wanted to make sure everybody could see it. If you can't see it, I tried to make sure that we pushed it forward to get it into the camera, and like I said, this is the first time I've done it. So we're here at the table, we're going to open it up.
It's Christmas.
We're going to try to open it.
Yeah. Oh. No, it's pink.
Okay, you want to lift it out of the box?
Confetti sticker
I
on
think
it.
so.
Alright, lift it up. I think that's everything. Yes, that's
I'm gonna pull
everything.
this out of the way.
Okay,
Pretty pink paper.
there you go. Alright.
So I'm facing it that way.
Yep,
I'm guessing
you're
it's
into it.
that way.
Okay, now this is the first time I've gotten one of these boxes. It
Surprise!
says, which box did you get? Something juicy or wish upon a star? In your box, you'll find a little bit of everything. We've included something for your desk, something for your feet, something for your thoughts, and more. Need a last-minute gift? Use the gift tag and shred.
Shred.
That's what it says.
Share.
This is
Gift
and the
bag
shred
the
and share something with your friend.
Right.
Oh, gift the shred.
What?
Use the gift bag plus the shred and share something with your friend.
So reuse it, right?
Okay.
Well,
I don't know.
let's-
We'll figure it out.
Maybe.
Okay, so let's see how it's
It's-
taped together, I believe, here. Yep. Oh, taped in a few places. Okay.
I'm gonna take this away.
Actually, this isn't really opened over here. That might be open.
Yeah, there's three pieces over here, so maybe
Okay.
this is the top of it. It's like in a bag. Yeah, it's in a bag.
Okay. Let's take it all out. And we'll take a look at it.
I have a desk. I could use something for the desk. Oops, sorry.
All right, let's see what this is. One in a melon.
Cute.
Oh, it's a watermelon!
Socks, look.
Oh,
There's
something for your feet.
There you go, something for your feet.
And
Oh my
that-
goodness.
That's not
Those
watermelon
are
either,
so-
right?
Yes, they
No,
are.
no.
Because
It's
it's one in a
water drops.
melon, so it's
So
a
those are the
watermelon.
seeds?
Yeah.
Yes.
And see, that's the rind. And then the pinky yummy stuff.
There you go.
All
All right,
right.
who wants to open something next?
Me.
All right, what do you want?
I want this.
Okay.
I don't know what this is. This is a pouch with tassel.
It's a pencil pouch.
No, it's a. I don't know.
It's a pencil
Could be
pouch.
used as a pencil
Oh,
pouch.
it's just a pouch. It's got stuff in it. I'm gonna pull this out so I can look at the inside. It's a silica packet. It's like, oh, I guess it is a pencil pouch. You could use it for the iron pens. What are those called? Where you
the
draw
friction pins?
that. You can use the friction pens. No, give me that look. We'll set
Okay.
that there.
You want to look at something? Or you want to
Well, I was just
describe
gonna-
something?
I suppose. The little notebook, and it has a little flower on it. I think you'll be able to see this.
Yes.
So it has
It's yellow.
just plain lines, and then it has a little, oh cute, little markers. So it has three different
Bookmarks?
little bookmarks. So you can have 3 different pages.
So 3 people can
And
use it.
says EXO Paper Goods.
Is it the recycled company?
CSS Industry Incorporated Company. No, it's out of Pennsylvania.
No. Okay.
But yeah, it's got a little sequin flower on the front of it, and it's pink.
Perfect for you.
It's pretty. That's for your desk.
What's your next
All
one?
right, let's see what this is. Cord keepers. Got little snaps. Let's take
Well,
the
that's because
paper
that's
off.
the paper.
Oh, look.
I don't know. Did you break it?
No.
2. You have a cord right handy, but you
Oh!
put your cord in it. You want to grab that cord over there? We'll demonstrate.
I have
See?
a cord right
See a
behind you.
cord.
Right,
Nope,
she's
nope.
got one.
Oh,
I've
we
got
have
my
cords.
I've got my cords right here.
You can just put it on your
That's
finger
cute.
too, and your pinky finger.
Oh, whoop. I have it up too high. On the
There you go.
Your finger is not a
And
cord.
your cord goes through it. You know
Yeah,
what?
this is- I was just thinking about I might have to make some for the
Something
YouTube
like
video.
that?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
that's cute.
And it's watermelon.
Yeah.
This
that's
is fruity.
pineapple.
Now that's my
Yeah.
extra long cord for my phone, and this is not the not so long cord.
The little one.
So this is the little
Oh,
one.
that's nice.
There you go. Look at
Everybody
that.
can use those.
Fancy.
Okay. All right, Megan, you want to open some?
Yes. I
Oh, you
wanted.
want to pick your own?
I wanted
Excuse
to
me.
walk
These
Okay.
over to my area.
I wanted the humor pin.
The humor pin.
What's
Humor
this?
to bring you laughter.
Okay, take it out so it doesn't glare on the camera because everything glares on the camera.
Okay.
I know the dog.
That would be Dewey.
That made me jump.
So
He got
how- is
startled.
it magnetic?
So
It must be.
no, it's a.
As we all get quiet.
The package.
The back of it's gone.
says-
It's sticky. It's got a sticky
That's only because
adhesive
it's
on it.
stuck to the card.
Oh,
you
maybe
can
it's a
put-
magnetic thingy.
Or
for a
would you have
pin?
something metal? Oh,
There
it
we
sure
go.
is.
That's what it is.
Ah,
So
magnetic.
it's magnetic.
So you
Cool.
can,
or you can just stick it on something since it's stuck on my finger.
The sticky part was supposed to
I know.
stay on the card.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, there you
grab
go.
something there and you can show it.
Okay, well, I
Yeah,
want to do the
stretch
EXO, the little ice cream. They look like little ice cream cones in there. And then
I know what I'm gonna do next.
it says Paper Goods Collection, C.R. Gibson. It's also a CSS Industry company out of Pennsylvania.
I think it all is.
I was going to say it might be now that I'm reading up. Okay, thank you.
I've started a pile.
It says 10 pom-pom. Oh, they're push pins. That is cute. Can I open it?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course. We've got to see it. You need a scissor? You need a rotary cutter?
No,
a rotary
no,
cutter.
I can unstick it.
She's the unsticky master.
Now these are pins. Look at that. That's on the card.
Are you sure?
And then
Oh yeah.
there's
Is it for? Is it fabric?
There's
prints
8 on there,
or-
but no, they're just little push pins for like your cork boards or whatever.
I could
See, you
use
just
those.
push pins. That's it. Those
You
are
can use those for
adorable.
so
Or
much.
earrings. I'm just teasing.
Please don't anybody put this in your ear.
I do not advise
This is
that
the
idea at
disclaimer.
all.
Goodness. Someone's gonna come up. Kathy from Kathy Q Creation said I could use it as an earring.
Okay, is it your turn to pick something to show?
No, you are after
It's your
Mom.
turn, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, just look at this. What's it say here?
It's
It's
something.
a little bag. It's a little bag.
Oh, that's the bag they were talking about, maybe?
Could be.
When they said share the bag and...
Yep. So there
No,
you
we
go.
probably won't share it. We'll
So
be
you can give it
selfish.
and the little tassels right there.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vanna. Yes,
What?
I watch your videos.
Thank you, Vanna. Okay.
I want the lemon box. I want the lemon box. What is this?
It's a lemon.
Oh, it's... It's
Is it notepad?
magnetic.
Is it notepad?
Yeah,
No,
Or is it
it's...
cards?
I think it's lemon notes. I think it's stuck in there good. So that's a box
Okay.
you can read.
Cards,
That's what I
it
was
looks
thinking.
like.
That's
But
what I was
yeah, it's
thinking,
like
cards.
little...
It's
Oh,
paper.
it is a tablet. That's nice.
Oh,
I
yeah, that
love
is nice.
lemon things. That is so cute. There's tape on it, guys.
That's
Do you
all
want tape?
Well, we're going to take the whole thing apart, the ribbon off there. I use those
Happy
pads.
birthday.
I always use them.
I can use them too, and Mom can use them.
And you can put them back in the box like that without the...
Okay, I'm gonna make mine.
Thank you. And then the last thing, of course, is the pen for
Hey.
the paper.
For the pouch.
There you go.
There you go.
That's fancy, fancy.
Yay.
And it says "Go Bananas," and there is a cute little. It's a pen, and it has a
Want to cut
little. Hang on a second here. And there's a little banana.
With it.
If
There
they're
you
up
go.
Yeah, there's a little banana on it. A little
Focus,
tassel banana.
there.
Banana
be,
tassel.
Be a YouTuber. Hold it up.
Oh, that's cute.
It's a charm pen, is what it says.
Okay, so let's take it out.
Okay.
Is it black or blue
It's
ink?
yellow. Oh.
It's yellow.
And this is only one video today, and you're already.
What's your hurry?
Oh, you're funny. Oh, here, you were taking that, right? Thank
Oh,
you.
I could.
All
Oh,
right,
wait, there's
so-
something on it. Oh, no.
Yeah, it
those are
held
the-
the pen.
Yeah.
Never mind.
And
Nobody
just-
wants
it's
that.
It's a turn pen. You just turn it, and then that's it.
Right on.
Nice
No,
looking
not the nice one. Right on the tissue paper.
I'm not writing on the tissue paper.
Is it a pen or a pencil?
It's a pen.
Okay.
So you want it on here?
Yes, uh-huh.
Man.
Oh, it's blue.
Oh,
No,
blue
it's
ink?
black.
Oh my gosh. Come on.
It's blue ink.
That's black.
Honey, it's blue.
That's not blue. That's black.
Give me your hand.
Wait a minute. She can't see the colors correctly. No.
Yes, I can. Put it on my hand. Draw a smiley face.
Don't be writing.
It's blue.
I'm not sure about that. What do y'all think? That looks black. It's black.
What do you all think?
It's black.
It's blue ink.
Blue.
Look,
Let
the
me
pen
see.
knows what color it is. It's
There's the
blue ink.
No, wait. Let me see.
No.
Let me see it.
Honey,
No.
it's blue.
It's black.
Go over there and get a black pen out of that little container right there. No, right out of that thing that...
It's black.
Oh, honey, it's not black.
It's blue.
It's blue, hon. It is. It's blue, babe.
I don't like this pen anymore.
Oh, for heaven's sakes.
I think it's black.
Well, thank you, everybody, for watching. Hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. So, for the tail end of this video, I'm slipping this in. The pen was actually black, not blue. After we got off the camera, we went ahead and we got all the pens in the room. We wrote with them to find out the true colors, and it did end up being a black one. It looked like it was blue underneath the light, so I'm glad that Megan did not go ahead and agree with us and that she stuck to her guns and said it was black, it was black, it was black. So anywho, I just wanted to give you that heads up about that pen because it probably did look black to you guys on the video. We could not see it. But anyway, that's what happens when you get older eyes. You can't tell the color of the pens anymore. So I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks everybody for watching, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Bye-bye for now.